Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google BigQuery from a Node.js app, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Google Cloud account and create a new project. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Enable the BigQuery API for your project. Go to the I am an admin section and create a new service account. Give your service account a name and assign the BigQuery user role. Generate a JSON key for the service account and download it to your local machine. Open your Node.js application and install the required Google Cloud libraries. Run the command npm install at Google Cloud/BigQuery in your terminal. Import the BigQuery client in your application by adding const BigQuery equals require at Google Cloud/BigQuery to your code. Set the environment variable for authentication using the path to your downloaded JSON key. You can do this by adding the following line: process.env.google_application_credentials equals path / to / your / instantiate the BigQuery client in your application by adding const BigQuery equals new BigQuery. Familiarize yourself with the BigQuery datasets you want to access. Use the BigQuery.query method to run SQL queries on your datasets. Make sure your SQL queries are structured correctly, as BigQuery follows standard SQL syntax. Handle any potential errors using try-catch blocks around your query execution. Log the results of your queries to verify they are returning the expected data. Test your Node.js application to ensure everything is working as intended. Finally, deploy your application when you are confident in its functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.